It looks like I tried, but it's too hard. I don't think. I don't know if it's eatable. If it's eatable or not. If it's eatable or not, but it's our first destination, guys. We at the helicopter island, which for me looks more like a sarcophagus of the for the Egyptians. What kind of fruit is that? So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. How is this tour? It's a tour C, guys. They have in El Nido have A, B, C, D tour, the most popular. We at the tour C. I'm at the tour C. The nature is really nice. That's what I like. That's more looks like Boracay for me. It's a nice place. I like to walk just like this at the beach. You just walk, but you cannot go on the tour every day. That's the problem. Only if you have your own boat, so you can just, you know. Nice.